Welcome to our tutorial on how to download and install ChatGPT extension on Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. At the top you can see this search box. Type in their Chrome Web Store. Now click on this very first option, Chrome Web Store website. Open it. You're gonna land to this kind of page. Now here you can see this search box. Type in their ChatGPT for Google. Now different extensions will appear. Click on this very first option, ChatGPT for Google. Open it. Click on this option of Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Now it's in the process to be downloaded and installed. ChatGPT for Google has been added to your browser. Now you are good to go. You can open a new tab. Search for anything you like. At the right corner, you will see that ChatGPT is responding to your question. Also, you will get this option of List Chat. You can click on it and have conversation with ChatGPT. So this is how you can easily download and install ChatGPT extension on Chrome. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.